Folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a quick video to talk to you briefly about MAP and to show you that I had a sale come in last evening when I was doing one of my live webinars on MAP. Okay, so if you don't know what MAP is, this is from John Thornhill and Omar and Melinda Martin. John Thornhill is a top earner in ClickBank. He has been for many years. He's earned millions and millions of dollars online, and he's helped thousands of people earn money online as well. And then Omar and Melinda Martin are top earners in JV Zoo, and they have also earned millions and millions of dollars online. And so they've come together, they joined forces to bring you MAP, which stands for Master Affiliate Profits. And this is going to revolutionize, the way affiliate marketing is done for many, many different reasons. But if you go to joinruss.com, you'll be taken to this page right here where you can watch this 57-minute video where John and Omar go into discussing how this all works. Currently, right now, we're in phase 2 of 3. All right, you can see here, this is the MAP 3-phase rollout, and right now we're in phase 2, which means that you can join. All right, this phase is the final call to be a backer and seize lifetime access for a single low price while enjoying 75% commissions and basking in the glow of all the free traffic we're ushering in. Now, in early April, this is going to go public, all right? And then there's going to be a free membership, a silver, a gold, and a platinum level memberships. However, with that being said, you're going to have to pay either monthly or at a discounted yearly rate for as long as you're a member of this company. If you join right now, you're going to get lifetime access. You pay a one-time fee. It's an investment. It's an investment into your marketing, into creating a real business where you don't have to worry about building teams and uplines and downlines and spillover and all that stuff that comes with network marketing. So this is something that's really, really good. It's a great system. I'm really happy with it so far. And there's other things you can check out on this page as well when you go to russfi.com. But then once you watch this video, and if it resonates with you, you just want to click Become a Backer. You're going to see everything that you get as a Platinum Lifetime member. So you're going to get everything over in this far right column. You're going to get affiliate tools and training. There's live trainings. There's commissions. All right, 100% commission on upsell number 1. And you're going to get this upsell automatically when you become a MAP backer today. 75% commissions on level upgrades. 50% commission on other upgrades that they have in the back office. These range from $997 to $997. You're going to earn 10% of all clicks that are purchased. Third-party commissions, 2 tiers, all right? So you're going to get 25% of whatever your direct referrals make each month. We have all kinds of products here. And then we have, of course, the done-for-you traffic. All right, so what they do is they put you into a super rotator and they drive thousands and thousands and thousands of clicks to that rotator every month. So you want to put in your full name and a valid email address and click Next Step. And make sure that you see Referred by Russ 5 because I got some really cool bonuses that I'm going to show you at the end of this video that you're going to get when you join my team. So with that being said, I'm going to log into my back office here. And you can see right here, congratulations, you are one of our valued MAP backers and a platinum member. And you can see right here that I had a commission roll in last night for $566.73. Right, so you'll be able to join. And this is what it would show. If I was a free member, I would have made $188.91. If I was a silver member, I'd make $302.26. If I was a gold member, I'd make $377.82. But because I'm a MAP backer, platinum level, I earned $566.73. And that came in yesterday evening while I was doing a live talking about this exact system here. Okay? So, with that being said, when you join me, you're going to get these awesome bonuses here that are valued at over $1,000. You're going to get 180 fresh profit pulling email swipes. All right, this is 6 months worth of emails that you can use, set up, and promote the MAP system. All right, or you can use it for whatever you want to. You're going to get 33 ways to get more clicks and subscribers. You're going to get a 6-month upgrade at My Traffic Partners. All right, this is a $120 value in itself. So what's going to happen is you're going to get 10 ads that are going to go into rotation all throughout the internet on these widgets. You're going to get behind the magic curtain emails. These are 30 freshly crafted emails that are ready to go. You're going to get a super squeeze page pack, 20 done for you squeeze pages, 1 bridge page, a bonus page, all kinds of stuff in here. And then the biggest bonus that you're going to get is you're going to be able to get this exact same page that I'm sharing with you right now, where all these links here are going to go to your webinar. All right. You're going to be able to add your email address in here. And then you can add a photo of yourself so it looks very professional. And the benefits of becoming a MAP backer on our team, you know, you get all these bonuses, but it's an enclosed affiliate ecosystem. So you're only going to have one link only to promote. And the company promotes it for you. You're going to learn how to build a list and promote it. And this isn't just for newbie marketers. They were on a webinar the other night, and they were saying even if you earn 6 figures using this system and the trainings in here, they'll be able to help you double that income. All right. Of course, there's no guarantees. It's all dependent on your work ethic, but it is very possible. So this isn't just for new people starting out in affiliate marketing. This is for anybody. You're going to be able to earn while you learn. You're going to earn 75% commissions. Your leads are hard-coded to you for life. This means that MAP markets your leads for life and you make the sales. You're going to build your own email list. Free traffic for all platinum members. We have the 2-tier commissions on your referral sales and live training. All right, that's what you're going to get. So if you have any questions about any of this, please reach out to me. Leave a comment down below this video. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Visit joinruss.com, go over, watch this 57-minute webinar, okay? It goes into great detail how everything works. This system has over 160,000 lines of code. All right, it's super unique. I've never seen anything like this in all the years I've been marketing. And you can come in now and join as a platinum lifetime member, a MAP backer, and never have to pay again. All right, so it's a wonderful opportunity. It's backed by, you know, marketing geniuses, and it's just going to be huge once it goes live next month. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, again, reach out to me. I'll be more than glad to help answer those questions that you have. If you find any value in any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.